Chanakya's work. He documented his lifelong work in his books Kautilya Arthashastra, Chanakya Niti and Niti Shastra, which are even referred today by many scholars. And in through these, he has shared a ton of things about life and success, of which, the following 5 qualities are possessed by successful people. The first and foremost quality that distinguishes a successful person from the rest is not regretting. Anyone who laments for the time they wasted, or the decision they took, or could never be successful. Chanakya explains that remembering the past is futile to regret. If you made a mistake in the past, to remember that would bring you nothing in life, but try to optimize the good learning from it for the present. Greed for black money. Money acquired through deceiving anyone, or earned after sacrificing your values and principles, due to closeness with people who demand to rule over your soul, is nothing but a poison for your success. Acharya Chanakya warns about the true nature of a poison, that is, it tastes good initially, but leaves you with nothing but brutal end. Therefore, one must know fascinate about power and money, acquired through uncompromising means. Always asks these 3 questions to themselves. It is very important to deeply think about setting your foot out before taking an important decision and speaking words out your mouth. A person who questions these 3 questions to himself, herself, before making a decision, can never go wrong in their life. What do I need to do? What will be the outcome? What will be its worth? Chanakya explains that every word that comes out of our or any decision that we take, not only has an impact on our life, but also risks the lives and integrity of others. If we wish to keep our success intact, we must give in full thought for each of our action. Never jeopardize your stand. Even a non-venomous snake will never ditch itself, by revealing it isn't poisonous enough to kill you. He will never put himself in a situation that would harm him in the end. Likewise, a person should never give in to a situation that they cannot handle. Chanakya explains a successful person, no matter how deeply in debt or suffering through a personal crisis, would never let display a hint in their actions or on their face. He says face is the first thing that cheats you out in front of others. Never chases appreciation. For an aroma to reach your sense of smell, it may require the support of air, but a successful person never awaits appreciation or support of others to speak high of him, her. They do not believe in chasing accolades, instead, spend more time finessing them. Chanakya says, when people start talking about you good or bad, it means you have set on the right path. Do not wait for people to applaud or appreciate your effort, concentrate on your work and let things follow. If you like this video, hit like button. Thanks for watching video. Please show your support for growing our community, like and share this video.